Kamusta ka? Welcome to my channel, Charissa and Kunanan Home Cooking. Are you ready to learn new recipe? As easy as frying egg and bacon, a hearty meal and a plating to make it more special. Learn to bake cookies and yummy cakes. Let's cook and bake with a happy heart. Please like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Smile is free! Tara, simulan na natin! Here's the ingredients that we will be using in making a pork salpicao. We need 500 grams of pork, tenderloin pork. We strip it. This is my version. It's like for sanggupsal. 15 cloves of garlic. We already stay it or fry. 1/4 cup of water. Onion stalks. 1 tablespoon butter. 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce. And 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Let's cook! In our pan, let's put our 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Let's add the butter. Then let's add our meat. Let's put also our oyster sauce. If you don't have a liquid seasoning, this is the alternative for beef salpicao, our oyster sauce. Okay, so we will cook our meat for 10 to 15 minutes until it's cooked. Okay, so after 15 minutes, we will see. Okay, we let the fats go out. Okay. Okay, so I think hindi na video yung paglalagay ko ng water kanina. So bago ng oras kanina. So yon, linagyan natin ng water and then hanggang sa after 10 minutes, I think 12 minutes na. So yan na po yung itsura. We also add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Yun, para kasing nakulangan ako sa ating oyster sauce. Like I said, dapat liquid seasoning, pero ang ginamit natin ay oyster sauce. So, we put additional of 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Now, we will put half the garlic. And the olive oil, we saute the garlic using olive oil. So, yun din po yung ginamit natin. And now, we have a lots of fats because of this one. I like using this one kasi so, here's our salpicao na. Finish na siya. So, there's a lot of oil. We will be using if you're too much health conscious, yan, i-train natin. Tapos, okay lang rin pong there's a still oil, pero sa dami niya, don't put this. We will remove it. Okay, so let's see you in the plating. Ayan. So originally, the pork salpicao is we put only garlic, but for my version, I put some leeks. Okay, leeks, and then we will put our garlic. Lots of garlic. So there you have it. So we still have some leftover garlic. So some people also don't like that much garlic. So for others who like more, they can add on their own plate. Okay, so there you go, our pork salpicao. Hope you like my cooking. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Goodbye. Thank you.